YouTube, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get ChatGPT Plus. This is going to be completely for free, and yes, this is working for ChatGPT 5.6 Sol. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my screen recording right now and show you guys how to get this here today, and show you guys I have got this. It is all complete for free, and how you can do this as well. So, as you guys can see, I'm in ChatGPT. I have got the GPT 5.6 Sol, which is the latest one, which you need ChatGPT Plus in order to do, and that's going to give you all the latest features and all the awesome aspects of that new model. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to get a coupon code. You don't need a credit card or a trial or anything like that. It's just a code you can redeem on the payment section of ChatGPT to pay $0, and it's completely for free. So let's go ahead and show you. So you want to come to this website called www.coupondealers.com. So I'm going to spell this out. COUPON, and then dealers, DEALERS.com. So www.coupondealers.com. Once you guys are here, you're going to wait for it to load, obviously. But you're going to then find or search at the top ChatGPT. You can find it if you want to scroll, but I just normally type in ChatGPT, and it should search it. And you're going to see ChatGPT Plus free, free plus upgrade. As you guys can see, it's normally $20 per month. We're going to get it for free here. So press on show coupon code. There's about 180 of these codes left. Hopefully they add some more. I'm sure they will, so don't worry about that. But you're going to go ahead, and as you guys can see, there's going to be a code here. Now, this code is locked. This isn't me doing this. This is the website doing this. And what we're going to do is unlock this. Now, these codes only work for one-time use only, so you have to go to Coupon Dealers and do this yourself to get your own code. So we're going to press Get Full Code. Okay. And then we're going to wait for this to load. And it's going to take you to this page. It's basically going to say, you need to go ahead and complete at least 2 of these in order for this code to unlock. Now, what you need to do is basically, there's these sponsored apps such as Modo, MyParina, Family Arm. Basically, what happened is these companies have paid for these ChatGPT codes. They're 100% legal, 100% legit, and they want you to go ahead and get their app off the Apple Store, Google Play Store in order to get the code. You only need to do this twice. Like I said, you need 2 in order for this to work. So as you guys can see, to get this Modo one right here, you tap on it just for an example, just like this, okay? And then it's going to take you here, and it's going to say press on the red button, type in that word, find Modo, and then get it, and then open it. So we're going to do that right now. Then you're going to get this. Okay, wait for it to load, press open. Cool. I'm going to just type in the word. Righty, and then you'd go ahead and you'd find the Modo app, and then you'd get it, you download it, get it, install it. It is that easy, literally just as easy as that. So that's one of them done right there. That's all you need to do. For this one is a MyParina. It's like kind of a pet app. I'm sure you guys have heard of this company. But basically what they want you to do is to get their app off the Apple Store, Google Play Store. Remember going through the links here. And it's just that easy. You tap on it, wait for it to load, so I'll give it a second. So a lot of these things take a long to redirect, but it's very easy. It takes we're only 3 minutes in, and we're basically done. So you're going to save yourself $20 a month. So you press open, okay, and it's going to open up here to the App Store. You'd get the app, right, nice and easy. Then you'd sign up and create an account and stuff like that. So very, very easy. You also got this one here, Family Island. If you want to do, you're only going to do 2 out of the 3, but if you want to do this one instead, you got to get to certain levels in the game. So you can choose that one if you want, but it's very easy to do this. So once you've completed 2, you're just going to simply hit on the back button. Because I've already completed these before, it should be all good. And I've gone ahead and got my free ChatGPT Plus code. Like I said, you go ahead, copy that, take that into the ChatGPT, go to the payment setting or your billing page on ChatGPT, on the app or on the website, and then paste that code in. Remember, these codes are one-time use only. So there's a code there. That's my code that I'm going to redeem for another month. So these are one-time use only for $0 added. It is that easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.